Hey there, Nintendo enthusiasts! Experiencing difficulties launching your favorite games on your new device? Today we're diving into how to fix Game Won't Launch on Nintendo Switch 2. This comprehensive guide will help you identify the root cause and troubleshoot issues with ease, ensuring you're back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check for system updates. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's ensure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is up to date. To check for system updates, navigate to the System settings from the Home menu. Scroll down and select System Update. If updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. System updates often include patches that fix bugs preventing games from launching. Step 2. Restart your console. A simple restart can work wonders. Turn off your Nintendo Switch 2 by holding down the power button 3 seconds until the Power Options menu appears. From there, select Restart. This process can clear minor system glitches that might be causing launch issues. Step 3. Check game software updates. If your system is up to date but the game isn't launching, the issue might lie with the game software itself. Ensure your game is updated by highlighting the game icon on your home screen and pressing the plus button. Select Software Update and choose Via the Internet. Download any available updates and try relaunching your game. Step 4. Check for corrupt data. Corrupt data can impede game performance on your console. To check for data issues, go to System Settings, select Data Management, and then Manage Software. Highlight the problematic game, press Check for Corrupt Data, and follow any instructions to resolve the issue. Step 5. Reinsert the game cartridge. If you are using a physical game cartridge, ensure it is properly seated in the slot. Remove the cartridge, gently clean it with a soft cloth, and reinsert it securely. Poorly connected or dirty cartridge can prevent a game from launching. Step 6. Free up storage space. Insufficient storage might also be the culprit. Check your available space by going to System Settings, then Data Management. If you're low on storage, consider transferring some content to a micro SD card or uninstalling lesser used software to free up space for your new game. Step 7. Reset cache. Caches can sometimes store corrupt data, leading to launch problems. To reset the cache on Nintendo Switch 2, go to System Settings, select System, and navigate to Formatting Options. Choose Reset Cache and follow the prompts. Your saved data and users won't be deleted, so don't worry about losing progress. Step 8. Contact Nintendo Support. If you've tried all these steps and the game still won't launch, it might be time to contact Nintendo Support. They can provide further assistance and, if necessary, repair services for hardware-related issues. Visit the official Nintendo website for contact information. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to fix Game Won't Launch on Nintendo Switch. From system updates to clearing the cache, these steps will help get your gaming back on track. Prioritize keeping your system and game software updated and regularly maintain your console to avoid these issues in the future. Happy gaming.